There it is right there. There's the transom. Nice and rotten. Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we are finally going to be removing the rotten transom out of the boat. But first, I just wanted to take a moment to thank my 37 loyal subscribers. So without further ado, let's get into it. Time to find out the level of rot with the transom, but I can already tell you, you can see the fiberglass skin peeling off here, and you just see black inside. Oh man, there it is right there. I'm gonna go ahead and de-skin the whole thing so we can see how bad it is. Who knows, maybe it's actually decent up at the top. We'll see. Gonna get all that off. We'll see what the damage really is. Alright guys, gonna go ahead and get the power trim motor out of here. I already took the bolts out of the bottom. There's just two on each side here. And then you get it loose. And then it's got this wire harness here. You just undo this worm gear and then it'll pop off. And then you are good to go to get this bad boy out. Alrighty guys, we got that power trim pump all the way out of there. You can see how nasty it was behind it. My goodness. But we're getting it all cleaned up. So now going back to the transom, you can see there the fiberglass skin just started coming off that whole perimeter there. And it doesn't look too good on most of that I was seeing inside. So what I'm going to do is take the angle grinder now. I already got all the screws and stuff all bagged up. And one thing I would recommend before you start using the angle grinder, because it kicks up all that fiberglass dust, is get everything you don't want dust getting all over out of the boat. So like all my sockets and ratchets and wrenches and stuff, I got all those out of there. So now that dust isn't going to get quite as much all over them. All I've got left is the hammer and the chisel there for prying open some of the stuff. So let's go ahead and get cutting on this bad boy. this is where we're gonna end today's video. We made a ton of progress getting all that old rotten wood out of the transom, all chiseled out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video, because we're gonna keep making progress, ripping and cutting old stuff out of the boat. So stay tuned for that. Lastly, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.